These are the most delicious oven roasted sweet potatoes you'll ever taste. And the best part, it's really easy to make. Let's start off by peeling the sweet potatoes. Now you gotta cut up the sweet potato into little pieces, and then we're gonna throw them into a bowl. Cover your sweet potato with some olive oil, mix it all up, add some salt, give it a quick mix, some freshly ground black pepper, another mix. Now for your thyme, we're gonna use this little hack so you can remove the little leaves quickly. You're gonna take a strainer, you're gonna pass your thyme through it like this, and now you're just gonna pull it gently, like so. And this way, you're able to remove the stem nicely. Now we're gonna add some rosemary to the dish, and this is the best way to take the little leaves off your rosemary stems. You're gonna love this hack. Take a fork, put it right through like so, pull, and watch most of the leaves fall off. Put your thyme over the rosemary, just gonna roughly chop everything up. Nothing too crazy. Now let's sprinkle the herbs over your sweet potatoes and mix it all up. Now we need to line the baking tray with some parchment paper and place your sweet potatoes into the tray. And make sure your potatoes are not one on top of each other. They need to be evenly spread. Now you're gonna bake them in the oven at 400 degrees for about 40 to 50 minutes. You'll know that they're ready when you take a knife and stab them and they're nice and soft. If you enjoyed these roasted sweet potatoes, please subscribe to my channel and check out these other great videos.